What's up, y'all? I'm gonna be showing y'all Ballys Ballys Tower King Room with the ocean view. Just came here for a little bit of relaxation, a little bit of gambling and everything. Since we are right here, I'm gonna show y'all the bathroom. It's fire. Nice little tub. Of course, my favorite is the vanity area. I cannot wait to indulge. Not a phone. Phone on the wall. Craziness. Love the mirror being right here for when I get dressed. Full body mirror. Not closet, but got a nice closet. Got your safe. Oh, mirrors everywhere. I love it. Love it. Got a safe in there. Ironing board. This is a cute little area. Got your ice bucket. Did you just open? No, y'all, I don't know what that is. Nice king size bed. Got the flat screen TV. Plenty of storage. 4 drawers of storage. And don't forget the storage in the nightstands. Okay, got another phone in here. Okay. The lights come on over the bed. Turn that one on just for the aesthetics then. Because it's 2 over here. It's only 1 light switch. Oh, okay. Love it. And then you can turn the lights on through the lamp. You got the mini fridge going on right here. Let me move this out the way. Little mini fridge and coffee bar. Just a little small area. And to me, this is number 2, but the view. The view of the ocean. It's beautiful. Boardwalk view, ocean view. You see all the boats out there. Yeah, it's lit. And there's really people on the beach. Like a lot of people. All right, y'all. That's the room. So happy to be here. So excited. I'm about to relax, figure out what I'm putting on for some festivities. And I'll check in with y'all later.